artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. Once humans develop artificial intelligence, it would take off on its own and redesign itself at an ever-increasing rate.
Does it mean that the universe isn't caused?
That's right. The universe does not have any beginning or end. It does not have any cause or consequences. It simply is.
The consequences of what you're proposing must be absolutely staggering.
Well, most scientists don't like to think too much about philosophical questions. They feel that such questions are really badly defined.
Does that include you?
No, not including me. Obviously, implications about the existence and the nature of God. Is there a God who intervenes in the universe, or one who wound up the clock to set things going? But I think that most scientists still reserve judgment on how the universe was set up in the first place. Whether that was an act of God, or whether that too was subject to the laws of science. What I'm suggesting is that it was indeed subject to the laws of science.
And the appointment of the Environment Protection Agency of Scott Pruitt, a man who does not believe carbon dioxide causes climate change. This appointment pleases the coal industry and the miners who voted for Trump.